Oh.
Who the fuck?
Do I know you? Hi. Oh. Personal space?
He took my heart.
Have a good day.
My bad. Did I get you?
Yeah, you did.
Where? You want me to wipe it off?
No, it's fine.
I'm sorry.
I'm good.
I have the flu. Sorry.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. You okay?
Huh?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Just keep going. I'm all right. I'm okay. No, please. Okay, I won't do it again. I won't do it. I won't do it. Please, please. What?
Yeah, are you crazy, man? Fuck, you shit all over my neck. Shit.
Oh yeah.
Hi, you scared me.
Oh yeah.
How am I? You spared me.
Huh?
You spared me.
I sneezed on you?
Yeah, a lot, man. What happened?
Oh really? I'm so
Yeah.
sorry, man. I apologize.
You did it on purpose?
It was an accident. I have like the flu. I have the flu.
Believe me, it was a lot, man.
Oh
I
really?
gotta go to the bathroom and clean my shit.
Do you want me to?
No, man. But believe me, man.
We're pranking you, man.
Believe me,
It's
listen.
water.
What? What's all that about?
Oh.
What's your problem? You got a problem? Do I know you? Better keep walking, brother.
Oh.
What the hell?
Oh.
Holy crap, dude. You okay? Easy does it. Back away from me. Let me look here.
Oh.
What the fuck are you doing, dude? You got a problem with me? You alright? Go away.
Oh.
Ah. What, man?
My bad, man. I kind of have like a flu disease. It's like I just got a flu disease. That's it, man. That's it.
Guys up there filming this shit. What the fuck you doing, man? Put that shit on YouTube, fool. What the fuck you doing? Did I get you? Did I get you? My bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Is that a fucking shit? Tell me it's a fucking prank. Tell me it's a fucking prank right now. Oh, sorry.
Hey, don't do that prank shit with me, bro.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm just. Oh! I'm just playing. Okay. You got me good. Okay. I know, you got me good. Okay. My bad. I'm good.
Delete all that shit, bro.
Oh, what the hell? What are you doing? Get away from me. What the fuck was this? What is your problem? Seriously? Okay. I'll call target staff to get you out of here.
What the fuck you doing that for, man? Hey, what's your problem, man? You fucking stupid or what? Don't fucking do that to me, man. Get the fuck away from me, bitch. Get away from me, man.
The fuck was that? The fuck was that? Knock your shit out right here.
What the fuck are you doing? Who the hell are you? Don't come up screaming my ear.
Oh.
Dude, fuck you, you fuck.
Oh.
You okay, buddy? Why'd you do that? Why did you do that? Why?
Oh.
What's wrong with you? Freak.
Oh.
What the fuck is your problem? I'm gonna go or whatever to security up there and they're gonna fucking find your full safe ass.
Oh.
What? Huh? Who are you?
Oh.
Ay, hijo de la verga. Excuse me? What's up?
Oh.
Hey! What? Get the fuck away from me. Who the fuck do you think you are? What?
Oh.
What? Did you fucked up or something, bro? Huh? Y'all don't step up, I hate you. Step any closer. I'm warning you.